Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Rye Heights in Houston, Texas. It's in the Greater Heights. And we're about to do a walkthrough of their one bedroom model. It's really pretty. It's number 310. Hey, let's go ahead and walk in. Really cool, beautiful. I know you're gonna like it. When I walked in to kind of preview it, it's just gorgeous. Look at this, it's just white. Fresh, just all new. I mean, it's just even got that new feel, the new smell. Everything's great. There's a washer dryer over there, by the way. But look at this. I mean, it's just got a super pretty kitchen. Some gorgeous quartz countertops there. Really nice backsplash. Very well lighted. Beautiful lighting all around. It's got this huge fun island that's here. The island is just unbelievably cool. Love the island. The island's just greatness, actually. You can fit a lot of what I'd say like two. I think you could do three parcels there, maybe instead of those two big ones. But you've also got areas like this where you can work from home. You have a little desk there, but you just have a really functional area. It's very pretty. Hey, let's go walk outside and check out the balcony. So we're gonna go out there, look at it. Okay, here it is. Wow, really cool. I mean, look at this. It's got a big balcony. This is really large. You could have a big table out here if you wanted to. This is overlooking. This is a private house. It's over here. So pretty cool. There's the garage. We'll be checking that out in a minute. This is what it looks like. Very nice. So we're gonna do a part two where we go into the bathroom and bedroom right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a virtual tour, I can take care of that at any time as well for free. I'll take care of that even today. Send me that text right now and just say, "Hi, Grant." That's my number below.